Positivity will help you a lot to sort out problems and challenges. Now, it's necessary, if you can, to surround yourself with positive, like-minded people. Get rid of negative energy vampires. Those people will steal your energy. They will put in negative thoughts into your mind, and that will cause your negative self-talk to spiral. Take it from me. Negative self-talk is a self-fulfilling prophecy. Then lastly, you need to get into the habit of forming positive habits. Like, for example, in the mornings, if you wake up, count your blessings. Be grateful, but be grateful for all the things in your life that you have that is not materialistic. Be grateful that you can see, that you can walk, and in my case, that I can sit here and assist people to grow.